Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be unboxing our Michael's yarn haul. And here you go. And my daughter is going to show you the haul that we received, and you can read the colors there, man, the hook size. So the first these are all loops and threads, and they were on sale on Michael's. They're like 40% off. And when you so yes, these are big rolls for 354 yards, and the first color is, let's see, which color is this?
And so the first color is light blue for our first yarn.
Before we proceed, we're also going to show you how we organize our yarn. So we got this see-through blue tote that's 23 by 16 by 13. It's 64 quarts, and we're going to arrange our yarns in this box. So first one goes here. What's the next color?
Our next color is light pink.
We got a light pink.
And our next color is leaf green.
Leaf green, okay.
And our next color is going to be light gray.
Light gray. So the next color we have is, let's see, I can't find. Oh, this one is a little bit. Oh, this is a different brand. This one is a little bit different. So this is the Big Twist, which is a value brand from Michael's. It's their own brand, and this one is the lilac color, and this is a little bit bigger. It's a 380 yards, and these are all medium size 4 worsted weight yarns. So this one's a little bit different. This one is also another Big Twist one. And this is the color Varsity Gold. Okay, Amy.
And we got...
What is this? This one is another Big Twist one. Let's see. This is a soft purple. So as you can see, this is these are two purples. This is just a little bit lighter, the soft purple, and this one is the lilac, I believe. Yeah, this is the lilac. So they're similar.
And we got another light blue thread.
Another light blue thread.
And we got...
What is that?
Peach pink.
Peach. Yeah, this is a peach.
And here's another Big Twist.
This is a Big Twist one. The economy one for... Which color is this? Ivory. Oh, so this is the ivory. I was just like kind of like confused if this is like an ecru. We got a really bright one here, Big Twist Slime.
And this one's curry.
Curry. It's loops and threads. Curry is, it's kind of like a orange, but more a darker orange.
And we got for our next yarn.
What is this?
Bright red.
Bright red.
Which is like the color of the suitcase. And our next one is...
Let me see that a little bit.
Sage.
Oh, this is the sage. It's really nice. Light green.
And our next one is butter.
Butter. Oh, that's a nice yellow. So you can see I got two types of yellows here. This one is a much lighter one, the butter, and then this one is the gold one. The Varsity Gold. So this butter is a really nice light color. And then we got some few accessories here for making crochet flowers. We got some wires. These are 150 or 50 feet, 24 gauge wire, steel wires for flowers. And then what else we got here? We got some flat floral tapes. And we got some stems for the flowers as well. Stem wires, which are 16 gauge, and this is 12 piece. And is there anything else? I think that's all. So that is our Michael's unboxing for today. Thank you for watching this video and
Subscribe to our channel.
bye. See you.
Bye.